Hello coders, welcome back to this another tutorial. So today I'm further venturing into the world of sets in Python and uncovering the technique to access item with them. So now let's dive into the insights of the accessing set item. So first of all, in this, the set items are the unordered collection of unique elements and making them perfect for scenario where you need to eliminate for the duplicates value. Okay, so now here first of all, create in this the basic offset access. So here just type here in this the foods is equal to first of all create here in this the curly braces, and in this side declare for the fruits is apple, and second another fruit name is banana, and next create the fruit's name is orange. Okay, orange, and also created here in the fruits is apple. Okay, so nice, perfect. And then going the next step, and here I'm just type for the displaying for in this the original set. So first of all, just type here in the print, and in this inside I'm just type for the original. Okay, is the original state, and create clone, and then call for in this the fruits a variable. Okay, so now just going the next step, and here I'm just type for the existing item in the set. So just type here in this the for loop, and then type for this the fruit. Okay, and creating fruit. So nice, perfect, and then create clone, and now I'm just type for in this the print function, and in this inside I'm first typing this the if and double quotation inside. Just type here in is the fruit and create clone, and then create curly braces, and in this inside is the duplicate creator. So in this the duplicate creator, so I'm just saving this code, and here first of all I'm creating these the foods with various food name, and notice that here in this the duplicate having for the two apple in the entities, and set is the automatically element for the duplicates. Okay, so here we can then use a for loop to either draw the set and access is unique of them and displaying them on off by wiki. So just I'm saving this code, and just to let me run this code. Okay, so stop it. So here is perfectly show the output. So perfect, just print is the original state for orange, apple, and banana. And here is the serially maintained for first is the fruit is orange, and then second fruit is apple, and the third fruit is banana. Okay, so here is the perfectly show the output in this session. So now here I'm just completely created in this the state access item. So I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching.